morning. It's 6:45. I'm heading to school. Going to educate, teach and educate some young people today. I'm excited to start my day off like that. It's a beautiful thing. I've said this before. It's so enriching to know that everything you're doing is impacting someone else. This is my job. Whether it's teaching at a high school, working with 9th through 10th graders, whether it's doing some private lessons, which I have probably excess of 30 kids in my database. Whether it's running training classes, whether it's sharing my book. I got a text from a parent last night saying their son was reading my book. They read my book all day yesterday. And they said that was the first time that he's read something, their son who's in 7th grade, first time they've actually read something substantial in a long time. So it's a nice thing. But I just wanted to get on real quick. I will chat with you later. You guys have a great day. All right? Talk to you soon. Just leaving work now. I'm a teacher by day. I'm involved in the emotional support program here at the high school. So I'm a teacher by day, coach, trainer, mentor, pioneer, entrepreneur, father, business owner by night. What's going on, people? Drummond International. You know what it is, you know what time it is, what we do, how we do it. We're back at you, provide some content. Hope you guys had a great week. I'm excited about today. I want to say this before we get started. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click that button, subscribe. That way you can get notifications. That way you can be kind of in tune to what we're doing. So, pretty good day working with some of the students, challenging them, getting them ready for their future. Then tonight I have a training session. Nice, there you go. Good. Boom, boom, boom. Yep, pull up. Good. All right, we got 5 times, that's 1. Now I'm currently doing a private lesson with Lauren. Get some time in, private lessons, Monday evening, out here at the gym. Cavoli Barn, get some time in with this girl who loves the game. Nice. Good. Pull up. Good, that's 2. Nice shot. All right. Good. Nice. Good. All right, here we go. Let's take it back. All right, I'm signing out for now. See you soon. Marches for maximizing. And I'm in the Cavoli Barn. We're back at you. I got my rock here, okay? Got the ball here. So here's what I want to do. There are 2 things I want to talk about, okay, when it comes to maximizing your potential, okay? Before we start on that path, okay, there's one thing we need to do, all right? We need to develop a strategy, and that strategy involves counting the cost, okay? All right, hope all is well. I'll see you soon. I'm signing out, all right?